Okay, we're going to make a nice little vegetable and Polish sausage using this nice Polish sausage that I made last night, cherry wood and hickory smoked. Dice that up, put it in a pan, caramelize up the onions a little bit and the carrots, frying it up. And we'll add our sausage, and I'm going to use some diced, petite diced tomatoes just to provide the sauce in that. Have a little bit of black pepper, and then I'll spice it at the end. Alright, we mixed it all together, added the petite diced tomatoes, and about half cup of water, a little bit black pepper, salt, touch of paprika on the top. Most of the flavor I want to come from that cherry wood smoked sausage, which is garlic and black pepper and marjoram. Alright, we'll probably end up letting that simmer for just 20 minutes or so to break down the tomatoes, and we'll serve that over top of rice. Done meal. Okay, it's simmered for about 20 minutes, and you can see flavor should have all gone in there. It's got a little bit of liquid that'll be good for on rice, but all the stuff is soft. Let's put it on some rice. Alright, here we go. Just get a little bit of all the vegetables and everything. A little bit of sauce, put it on there, maybe a couple pieces of sausage for the top, and there it is, smoked Polish sausage with vegetables. Bon appetit.